Good morning, Tiffany. How are you today? Did you have a nice weekend? I hope you did. So, welcome on Monday with new tasks to be completed. I will start with the unit of inquiry. Okay, so for today, there is a reading comprehension about human-made resources. So, the document is uploaded on Google Drive, of course, and what's more, that document is also in your folder. So if you want to use the editable version, you can download the document on your computer, answer the questions, then you save the document with your name and surname, and then you upload it on Google Drive into your folder. There is also an option to print it out and to answer the questions, or just answer the questions in your unit of inquiry notebook and then send me the photo of the answers. Okay, so 3 options. Choose the best one. Choose the one that's the best for you. And that's it for the unit of inquiry. The rest we will discuss during our online lesson. Okay, so if it's about English, I would like you to write in your diaries. We haven't been writing for a while, so 5 sentences or more, of course. The topic for today: choose a natural object that you can see when you look out the window and write about it. Describe how it looks and moves and imagine how it might sound or feel. And what's more, I want you to draw that object as well. But use the technique that you like. It might be a pencil sketch drawing, or you may use oil pastels, crayons, markers, paints, okay? Something that you like. So, describing and drawing or painting that object. And what's more, we've discussed synonyms and the antonyms, so today it's time for homophones. So the words that sound the same, but they've got different meaning. So I would like you to start with watching the video on YouTube. The link is added, of course, attached to that. So watch the video about the homophones, and after watching the video, I've got a worksheet to be completed. Okay, so again, the worksheet is uploaded on Google Drive into the 11th of May, the 11th of May folder, and also in your folder, because as usually you may use that document to write your answers and then upload the completed documents into your folder, print it out and complete, or just simply write down the answers in your notebook. As I said about the reading comprehension. Okay, so the same 3 options. Choose the best one for you, of course. So, and now maths. So for maths, I've got a long-term project. So the deadline is the 14th of May, Thursday. Okay, so we've got 4 days to complete that task. I want you to be the designers this time. I want you to design your own dream house. Your creativity is the limit. There are no other limits. So, floor plan drawing, please. Design the house with at least 6 rooms. But remember that bathroom and hall is counted as a room as well. Yeah? So, I want you to label each room and then find the area and the perimeter of each room. If you use the grid paper with the squares, we will assume that 1 square on a paper is 1 square meter. Okay, so the length of the square of one side of the square is like 1 meter in real life. Okay, let's assume that that's how it works. So remember that the rooms need to have proper size. So if you plan the room which is 3 square meters. It's not possible actually to live in such room. So try to be realistic, okay, and try to design something that you like. As I said, just the creativity is your limit. So if you would like to have a pool, fine. If you would like to have a room to play your Xbox, why not? Let's do that. Okay, your own dream house. So the instruction and is also added here. Okay, so that's a long step-by-step instruction. There is also part 3 for the volunteers if you would like. So you can imagine that you need to do the flooring in your house, and then you need to calculate how much would you spend if you buy the carpets, if you buy the hardwood flooring, or cement. Okay, so the third part, volunteers only. Try to be a volunteer, try to be a risk taker, and I would like you to send me the photo of your plan by Thursday. Okay? I forgot. There is one more option for the volunteers. So, adding personal touches, things, furnitures, okay, to your plan. So it does not need to be just the sketch of your dream house. It may be filled with furniture as well. So you can plan the layout of the furniture as well if you want. Okay? And for those who haven't been practicing using Mathletics, I just would like to remind you that there are some tasks to be completed on Mathletics. The tasks about area, okay, and the shapes. And that's it for today. So see you at 10:30. We will discuss the resources and homophonics as well. Okay? See you at 10:30. Then, bye bye.